squishy and it's not sticky. My tripod is still not working. So just watch me have this moment playing with it. I like how it like is. I like how it's itchy. I like that I can play with it. I like that it's edible. And if you guys want to know how I made it, all I did was, alright, so this is what I like exactly did. I put flour, salt, and I put it in the oven for like probably like 5 minutes or something, and I took it out and I squeezed it, played with it, and then when I was done, I kept going like that. I washed my hands off, dried them and everything, and that's when it just told me like squish it like that, and then I started squishing it, and this is how it is now. Like it's like not really that sticky. It's just like regular dough, so it's edible. But I wouldn't eat it myself. But it's like dough slime, because you know how you could go like that with the slime, you can do it too with the dough. And I haven't seen dough like that. And I don't know if it's stretchy. Let's see. It's getting there a little bit. See, it's just stretchy like that and then it breaks. So it's not really stretchy. But I'm gonna take this pencil no. Hold on. I'm gonna take this marker that I have, and I'm gonna like roll it out. I made slime today in school. It was fun, and I had did this big test in school that I'm doing, but I'm done. That was the last test, and yeah. Oh, and guys, check out the video I did my first fight in school. Yes, she came to my house right after that video because I think she saw it or something. I don't know. But I'm gonna like poke it. This is like fun to play with. And if you guys want this slime right here, this dough slime, I'm not gonna make a P.O. box thingy yet. I'm gonna wait till I get like a little bit more subscribers or something, and like I don't know, because I'm just starting YouTube and I don't really know that much, but I really like watch it. So if you guys want it, I might just comment down below if you really want it, because if you have Instagram, tell me, because I will look you up for Instagram and I will send it to you. Yes, me and my mom will come and send that to you. Yeah. Oh, and guys, I'm doing a giveaway. And I'm doing a meet and greet. So if you want to come see me, get your tickets. No, wait, not yet. Don't get your tickets yet, because it's not going to be until next year, I think, or next month. I don't know. We still don't know yet. So, yeah. Okay. So, yeah, but I made this, and I wasn't even thinking to get my camera out to do a video of me making one. And I still didn't do the morning routine, because every time I wake up, I'm so tired that I go right back to sleep and stuff. And I'd be like 5 minutes late for school, and I have to do all my tests over, like not over, but like the makeups that I missed from going back to sleep and being late. And yeah. But I like this. It's good. It's not like really sticky that much. Like I said, you can like play with it, not on your hands. Yeah. Oh, it's probably on my hands before when I made it, like in the back of my hands. but like my paws and stuff, not on it. So I really, really, really like it. I don't know why, but I like it. It fell on the floor. It's not even sticking. But if you guys really, really, really want me to do a morning routine, comment down below, and I really will do a morning routine. And I'll try to stay up because I'm always on my phone. I'm always like watching TV and staying up. Yeah, I just don't know how to like just go to sleep. I need to practice that. And my sister went to go get my little sister from daycare. Here she go. Hold on. I'm gonna get it. Okay guys, they back. Alright, so when I made this, it's not really like sticky. It's like just like a little slime. It's wet over there that I did. You can see for yourself so you guys know how it is. So if you want to get it, it's like this. It's just slime, you know. And I'm gonna be making another YouTube channel about my slimes because I'm gonna be making slimes. So, and oh yeah, this is my little sister right here. She's looking right right now. It's okay. Just go get some sleep. But she just came from daycare, so that's why she's looking right here. All right, I need something else. Wait. So I'm gonna roll it. Alright, sorry if I'm using this. This is what I'll be using. This is what I'm gonna be using when I do meet and greet. I'm gonna be like, bam, I think.
I'll watch you.
Oh, this is Sky Zone. Yup. Yo, when I went to Sky Zone, it was like so fun. Hey, what you doing? You using the bathroom? Hey, hey, you using the bathroom? Okay. Hey, you want to feel it? All right, girl. Stop being extra. Hey, you want a piece?
Oh, like so. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so I gave her a piece. You see it right there. She's not gonna keep it, cause like I said, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway in. Yeah. What I'm gonna say then?
So Jitto, Imani said crochet. Because you know, for upstairs, Kim and Ashley pop out.
So guys, I just made like a little soap. This how people be. They be like, check out my soap, you know. You scrub it on your cheeks. You scrub it on your stomach.
I seen Emmy.
This is I want to make my own soap so that like it'll be so cute. Cause it's gonna say, we lit.
Jitto, you got makeup.
Shh. So I'll get back with you guys when I'm done playing. Hey guys, and I'm back. I just got done playing with it. You see that it's all squished up and stuff. My little sister was just playing with the one that I let her play with. Yeah. So like I said, if you want this, comment down below because I will give it to anybody. And if you want slime, like stretchy slime, comment down below because I will make some for you and see you guys later.